EC2 instance has been populated, so we can monitor multiple metrics. There's no hard and fast rule that you have to select one or two, but we are going to monitor CPU utilization as part of demonstration. So let's set a filter and select the CPU utilization. And here we see a small dot is created that is showing the certain uses of CPU right now. Gradually, it will get changed as per the uses that is happening in the backend. Now, since the monitoring has been enabled, we need to define the threshold value when the alert should come, when the alert shouldn't come. So for that, we need to click on alarms and create and define the different alarms. Select matrix and again do the same activity which we did. That means what should be monitored, where should the threshold value be defined. Currently we are monitoring CPU, but when I'm generating or when I am defining a threshold value for alarms, I have to select what kind of matrix it is. So it will be CPU utilization. Just a second. Yes, it is. Here we go. Select it. That's it. Now the next task is to define the name of your alarm. My alarm description can also be my alarm. So as part of demonstration scenario, getting or having a good threshold value like 75% or 80% wouldn't be fruitful, because this T2 micro machine that has been created, you try a lot, will not be able to reach that amount of consumption of CPU. So it is better that we keep the CPU threshold 0 and just test the output. So whenever the state of alarm is alarm, okay, insufficient, so I'll select as alarm, send notification to the notification that I have created, and the alarm would be going to my email ID. And here we go, we create alarm and the alarm is created, and here I see there is an alarm which has been created. I should have got a mail for it now, and let me check. Is there a mail? No, still buffering. And yes, there is an alarm. So let's see what information do we get here. So you're receiving this email because your Amazon CloudWatch alarm in the United States East Ohio region has entered the alarm state because the threshold clause, one data point, that is what we had defined, was greater than or equal to the threshold, that is 0. So that's how the alarm comes in a no, and these are the details which would help the engineer to fix the issue. So this is CloudWatch. This is monitoring of AWS services, and this is how we use or integrate multiple different services and get an output. We have CloudWatch, simple notification services, simple email services, and EC2 instance, and we are getting an output. So there was a continuous deployment, integration, and continuous monitoring. Thank you very much. We would be deleting one by one all the stuffs. Come to dashboard and click on delete dashboard. In the same way, we're gonna delete the alarms. We'll come back to alarms, click on action, and delete it. So that covers the monitoring topic of AWS Amazon Web Services. CloudWatch is one of the finest and expensive tool or service which has been created by Amazon Web Services. So what we have created is a normal CloudWatch. We have a privilege of also using enhanced CloudWatch. The difference between these two are that normal CloudWatch, the agent gets invoked every 5 minutes. In the enhanced CloudWatch, agent gets invoked every 1 minute. Normal CloudWatch monitors set of metrics, limited set of metrics. Enhanced CloudWatch has a more number of metrics being monitored. Enhanced monitoring is way more expensive if you compare with normal CloudWatch. Amazon gives us both the privilege. It's up to us what kind of monitoring do we want to enable here.